Hey guys, Cody Hoffine here with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program in the nation, where we have more testimonials of students right now doing deals consistently and finding success in wholesaling real estate. Now, maybe you've seen us through our YouTube videos or our Facebook groups, or maybe you've even listened to us on our Wholesaling Inc. podcast. And if you love our free content, we have a program that goes much deeper, where we break down step by step the things you need to do to explode your wholesaling business. And everyone at Wholesaling Inc., each membership includes daily instructional videos. It includes daily access to our private forum where you get all the instruction you need during the day. When you have some questions, you just hop into that private forum. You're also going to have access to a weekly call with myself and with Tom Kroll. So as you get out there and start taking action, you're going to get results where you can come to that phone call ready to explain exactly what has taken place so that we can give you your next action. Also, you are going to get exclusive discounts only for the tribe, where you get the biggest discounts on the lists, the CRMs, the websites, and all the tools you will need to really succeed in wholesaling. So click on this link below and book a call and get started now.